help you file returns. It's mostly up to you to determine whether the preparer you're paying is competent or if he or she is a crook.
That's right. An unscrupulous tax preparer could leave you footing the bill for taxes and penalties. Jane King is at the NASDAQ with more in today's special President's Day report.
Nearly 61% of electronically filed tax returns last year were prepared by a tax professional. That's according to the IRS. Now, these preparers, though, are largely unregulated, and taxpayers are ultimately responsible for what their returns say, even if they paid someone else to complete the paperwork. Now, just last week, the Justice Department convicted 3 tax return preparers in Texas of filing false returns for clients to maximize refunds, sometimes without the taxpayer's knowledge. And size doesn't matter. Shady operators run the gamut from mom-and-pop operations to countrywide businesses like Mo Money Taxes. That was a Memphis, Tennessee-based company that ran 300 offices in 18 states until a federal court shut it down in 2013. Now, here are some tips. All federal tax preparers, regulated or not, are required to have a preparer tax ID number. You can ask for it and confirm it. Check his or her professional credentials. Some may be attorneys or CPAs, but anybody can be a tax preparer, so be sure you're aware of the preparer's qualifications. And the IRS website includes a directory of tax preparer credentials, and give your return more than just a cursory glance before signing and sending it off. You are responsible for its accuracy. And if a preparer does this, it's a red flag. Charges fees based on a percentage of your refund. Says fees will be deposited into his or her account first, not yours. And doesn't ask you for any records or receipts, and also asks you to sign a blank return. Or refuses to sign the return he or she prepared and asks you to indicate that you self-prepared the documents. Attempts to inflate your itemized deductions or miscellaneous expenses. Those are also red flags. And remember, the taxpayers have an obligation to review their returns. According to the IRS, we are ultimately responsible for the accuracy of our own tax returns. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your special President's Day report.